one day.
This is Bullet 350, that is S350. No difference, only one letter. Usually you people see that the camera is fixed like this and I keep talking like this, I move around, but still the camera is fixed. From today onwards, the camera is going to move along with me. It's going to go wherever I go. That's like amazing, right? Because we have a new technology. It's going to follow me like this everywhere I go. Isn't that amazing? Enough of kidding. It's Sai Kiran here. Sai Kiran, what do I call you, Sai Kiran?
You can call me Sai.
I don't
Kiran.
like to call you Sai or Kiran. It feels too formal.
Yeah, so you can just call me Kiran.
By the way, you guys know him, right?
Hi,
the guy
guys.
who came to airport and gave me a lot of gifts and all that, even now he did that.
Yeah, just be there.
Oh my God.
That's my subscriber. What's your name?
Sai
My name is
Kiran.
Sai Kiran. Oh no guys, this was actually got to him for the 250k subscribers
Oh, yeah.
in February.
Yes. No, every time he meets me, he'll get me something, some gift. I wanted to call you Sai Kiran, eh? Saki.
Saki.
Okay, just kidding. That's not a good name. Actually, his name is Chico.
Yeah, Chico.
Chico. A cute name, yaar.
Chico.
Chico, Chico.
Chico.
Okay, Chico is a supporter, no?
I was going to Thirumalgiri.
He was going somewhere to Thirumalgiri. He called me. He said he wanted to meet me. He keeps calling me a lot. So today I was free. I told him, chalo, come home. Also, in one of my videos, I told you guys that I need to go get my Tiger, right? There are 2-3 issues in it. Finally, they're solved. Jackie will get a big bill now. Let's go.
We'll get our dark horse back.
We'll get our Dark Horse back. By the way, even his bike name is Dark Horse.
Oh yeah.
Copy. Oh, I think I'm gonna ride. Can I ride your bike?
Obviously, it is yours.
He's got the classic 350, right?
No, this is the standard 350
Standard
and
350.
it shares the same name as our Shrivans.
Yes, Dark Horse. I told you, right? Copy. Still the emptiness. There's no Dark Horse there. We have a duplicate Dark Horse here. Let's ride the classic 350. First time I think I'm gonna vlog.
This is the standard 350.
Sorry, standard 350. Oh, this is the bike. You see, Dark Horse. Idhar bhi hai.
And this was got in Goa for 900 rupees. That's it.
Oh, nice. Okay, chalo. This is the first time I'm gonna ride a standard 350 and I'm gonna vlog it. I never vlogged on a standard 350. My dad used to have a Bullet 350.
Brakes outside gears.
Yes, it used to be so heavy. This is as heavy as that. So that time we used to have Passion Plus and all. I used to get so scared to touch these bikes.
And sorry, this is just a dummy thing. This is doesn't have a self start.
Oh, so you need a kick. I like the kick.
The Bullet.
Okay. See, this is the swag. As a kick nikalo. Look at the swag. Oh, sorry. Excitement, I forgot. Hey, what is that? Sealish, no? So neutral light kuda undada? Now, as a nikalo. Or swag se. Ooh. Royal Enfield. That definitely gives you that manly feeling here. But I don't think this helmet is gonna go on this bike. It doesn't suit the bike. There's too much of a sporty helmet for a nice classic. Okay, let's go get the original Dark Horse. Our license anu nahi kada? RC, pollution. Okay. Very comfortable, yaar.
Once you can use the horn.
Whoa. This is definitely not Activa horn. Nice. I like the horn. I think people are seeing this view for the first time. It's always a big dashboard here, Dark Horse car. So nice, comfortable, relaxed.
Yeah.
This recliner is literally recliner.
You didn't forget the phone, right?
Yeah, I got the phone. I got everything. Sai Kiran is making fun of me. Niche aane ke baad bhi he was telling me, Sriman Anna, pakka you'll forget something. think. Hum Gajini hai, Gajini. So Sai Kiran, what do you think? Should I get a Royal Enfield Classic or Standard for daily commute? Because the Charisma is gonna go now. You know, one thing what I missed in the bike, that immediate torque is not there. Of course, I'm like 80 plus kilos and he's also 80 plus kilos. That immediate pull is not there. But then this bike is different, you know, it is for relaxed riding. But we got so used to that high torque and all that. Yes. 1 second, we shouldn't vlog here. This AOC center, army area. Bye bye. After this, I'll see you guys. I think people can seriously consider putting this on their bikes. This one. I've ridden another classic, classic 350, my friend car, which I didn't vlog. Usme I can feel a lot of vibrations and even the rear view mirrors vibrate a lot. Yeah. Here I can see it is decent.
Susan was making fun.
Hey, हमारा car, orange car. अरे horn is amazing यार. Tirupati में, you know, there are taxis.
Yeah.
उसका हॉर्न ऐसे ही है सेम. Nice climate. Any rain? 27 degrees. Amazing. People are moving. एक हॉर्न में people are moving.
See you and still they ask you.
No. Today they are not asking. Somehow. Tiger को पूछा. Stop. Don't go inside. Royal Enfield को नहीं पूछ रहे. Pooja came here for the weekend. I'll go meet my baby and come. Both the babies. बड़ा baby, छोटा baby. अरे parking full. Yeah. Nice. Send all these pictures. Handle lock?
Classic.
Oh, classic right. Oh, I like all this style yaar. ఇట్లా పెట్టి
అంతే.
ఇట్లా పెట్టి ఇట్లా దిగితే ఉంటుంది ఒక రేంజ్. Today is the inauguration of this new small flyover. It's not a flyover, it's a ramp. Today they're gonna inaugurate this. Pella ituna deshiru anni, but that is gonna solve a lot of issues, traffic issue. This was a big bottleneck. This is Bullet 350, that is S350. No difference, only one letter. How much is this?
1.5.
1.5 crores. This is 1.5 lakh.
This is 1.5 lakh.
That is 1.5 crore.
2 zeros. That's it.
So you can get 100 of these with that. We are here at the Triumph showroom. Let's go get my dark horse and go. Hopefully everything is solved. Yeah. Thunderbird. One thing we have to be careful with any Royal Enfield is this.
Silence.
The silencer. While getting down, usually you get down like this, right? This touches. Yeah. You'll touch here, and I had one experience. Not me, my dad in his Bullet. He burnt his entire leg here.
నువ్వు ఎప్పుడు కూర్చున్నా సరే చెప్పలేసుకొని కూర్చోకు.
Oh, any classic, even the Triumphs are like that. Oh yes, back to the dark horse. I know that's a sudden shift from a classic. And definitely, obviously it feels so different here. And they clean it so well. All deep cleaning here. Let me take a test ride, come back, and उसके बाद पता चलेगा हमारा huge bill. So, good thing about Triumph here is they told me, sir, there's not only one issue of a fuel gauge, there's one more issue in your bike. That is the handlebar. Yes, when they told me, I realized I forgot about that problem to tell them. You have ball bearings inside this handlebar. They were a little bit damaged. I don't know what happened, but you are not able to turn the handlebar so easily. It was a little bit tight, so that I need to check while taking a U-turn now. Brakes are like spongy right now because I think they washed it. Oh yes, I think now the handlebars turns like new. I don't know what magic these people do. Every time I take it out of the showroom after some repair or service, it feels so different, the bike. I mean, it's so smooth, at least 10-15% better. That is the reason maintenance on a bike is very important. Nice, yeah. Handle now feels like a power steering. All these days it was like a manual mechanical handle. Now it's smooth. Good. I think it is solved now, the handlebar. This was jamming in between. It was hard here. Yeah, now it's smooth. So 3 things solved, I guess. The fuel gauge is working now, and this handle thing, and something else. Yeah, the chain slider fixed. What else? Yeah, that's it. Yeah, this one was loose. Yeah, set. Now for the big thing, we have to pay the bill. There is my bike ready, and I'm gonna leave it here. We're going to go to Motor Royale to check out a new bike. Not a new bike, it's the MV Agusta F4 if I'm not wrong. What is that bike? Sounds weird.
అదేదో టీవీఎస్ అయి ఉంటుంది.
No, it is I think Intruder 150. I'll come back and take my bike later. somehow today's vlog is happening entirely on the Royal Enfield.
Even backside బానే ఉంది కదా.
Oh, very comfortable. Oh, by the way, I have to tell you this. It's so comfortable here backside. The backside is so comfortable, especially with the backrest. That one good investment, 900 rupees ka.
900.
Seriously. Cycle మెల్లగా రే.
60.
రేస్ ట్రాక్ లో వినడు పోతుండు రాయల్ ఎన్ఫీల్డ్ పైన. అంటే మనకు టైం ఉంది వెళ్ళడానికి. లేదా వెళ్ళి ఫస్ట్ నుంచి ఉంటాం. By the way, Srujan is coming. So understand, he's gonna come very late.
Oh, Srujan
వస్తున్నాడు. Srujan and Charan is also coming actually. Usually there's a lot of traffic on this road, KBR road. But look at it now. Completely empty. Maybe people are following lockdown very strictly. I thought Royal Enfield is slow, but this guy is riding it like crazy. Basically, you are used to your bike. I'm not so used. Yeah. So I'm riding it for the first time. I was not so comfortable. This guy is ripping it open. He's riding it like the tiger. Waiting for Srujan once again late. Don't want to repeat this statement all the time. Not you. We went to MV Agusta Motor Royale. They didn't give us any test ride. Forget test ride. They told us we can't shoot. I thought I'll showcase their nice, amazing bikes there, MV Agustas. F3s, only F3s are there by the way. I thought I'll showcase them, but I understand they have a logical reasoning for that. So
Creta.
So I respect that. Those bikes were so amazing. I really wanted to capture some nice 120 FPS shots there. But why did we go there? I came all the way from Triumph showroom till here.
All the way. Kilometers. It's like 2 kilometers. Ayya shit. Uncle, illu బాగుంది. యూటర్న్ కొట్టుకోవచ్చా?
Gate there is something.
లోపల పెద్ద BMW ఉంది.
This house. Jubilee Hills mein every house is like at least 500 square yards. 1000 square yards? Oh, sorry.
Mile 400 ra.
I think acres. 1 acre at least. I mean, look at these apartments and all. Huge. ప్రైమ్ లొకేషన్. బాగా సంపాదిస్తే ఇట్లాంటి ప్లేసెస్లో ఉండి ఉండొచ్చు. ఏమంటారు సుచ్?
బాగా సంపాదిస్తే కాదు, తరతరాల ఆస్తి. ఇంత సంపాదించినా యూ కెన్ నాట్ బిల్డ్ సో మచ్.
I mean, each house will be 100 crores, 50 crores like that.
ఆరామ్సే. And their bank balance will be somewhere around 600, 700 crores.
1000 crores plus, dude.
Basic 500 crores.
You know the car they'll have for groceries?
Groceries they'll have Superb.
Skoda Superb. And the main car will be Jaguar S-Class.
S-Class में डैड घूमता, मिनी कूपर में बेटी घूमती. बेटा will be roaming in some Lamborghini or Ferrari Lamborghini. Auntie के लिए one SUV because she'll start shopping everything with one dedicated driver.
Every car will have one driver. Ultra rich. This is not super rich. It's just ultra rich. Uber rich.
We are exaggerating, but yeah.
We are exaggerating. Seriously, it is like that.
I'll show you one gate here.
Inside that gate there is a Lamborghini, right?
Gallardo. We were shocked. We were following that one.
Yeah, it looks like a wall. It's a gate, but
wall. That is not wrong. Sorry.
Oh shit, we crossed it. Some other time when we come this side, we'll show.
No. Cross it. See this thing.
Oh,
that thing. There's a separate entrance for.
Yeah, you saw that wall kind of a gate, right? That's not a wall. It's a proper gate. Chalo. Green.
Creta.
Full turbo kick. Yeah, that wall, there's a gate mein, there is a Gallardo. Yeah, that wall was opening like that and there's a Gallardo coming off from that. Chalera manaki Creta varna full zindagi bindas. Man tiger picholam, man bikes picholam. Okay, finished all the work, returning home. Saikiran wants to start my bike. Idem anandam ra neeku start cheyadamu. Neutral. Yes. That's it. Chalo Shivan. Chalo, let's go home. Feeling very hungry. 3 o'clock ho gaya. I didn't have my lunch yet. Of course, I had my second meal. First meal is my breakfast. Second meal is I have some oats and all that. Third meal is proper lunch. I have like literally 5 meals a day. Chota meals. Oh shit, yaar. What a jam. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you, even the brake pads are new now. Not both, only the rear brake pads are worn out. They asked me to change it. That is the reason it was a little bit spongy. Now they're fine. After 5-6 kilometers, they're fine.